Dear God, just wanna say that I ain't mad at ya, but this life feels like a bad orchestra. Is it really worth the living for the pain and the mess? God, I ain't suicidal, cause you comfort me best.
Is life worth the stress? Must I even be in it? Consequences like a draft board when you ain't never winning. Mind-boggling feelings got your head puzzled off the rocks. Is this life even for me? Can all my feelings just stop? Why more? Every day I feel more. Every day feelings got me so much caught. I feel them straying away, not from the presence of the Lord, but from the life that's lived. It's hard already, but I can move like I got lots to give. I mean, the ways of man I school you, and others wanna fool you. So how can I move when at times I don't know what to do? I give my whole life to you, and it's already happened. I ain't leaving for a sec. In my life I want you stepping.
Nigga, I just wanna say that I ain't mad at you, but this life feels like a bad orchestra.
Is it really worth living for the pain and the mess? God, I ain't suicidal, cause you comfort me best.
Nigga, I just wanna say that I ain't mad at you, but this life feels like a bad orchestra.
Hey, the happening has happened. My heart is again cramping. I need to take a stand. God, it's time for you to step in again.
Many down days of uptight feelings and rough nights. Going through the day, hoping your hopes to keep you upright. Don't wait for people to come along and tell you you're a winner. God is the answer for anything, so come if you're a sinner.
Row A, row B, which route should I take? I've been facing my fears, now all I see is hate. Thought friends were really friends, even when they're not around. The same ones who never hesitate to put you on the ground. Matters challenge every day, and piling loads on backs. For some who ain't strong enough, keep your sanity intact. You might have strength in one instance, the next you're going off. You choose to buy liquor instead of running to the cross. Now you're blaming everybody, right up to the head. The fault is all yours, so hold it to yourself. If you wanna get out of it, then make a better you. God is still waiting, never left the side of you. SKB's finest, dividing out the blindest. Our nation's capital is turning into a stranger's highness. Back to back killing, all for senseless causes. Somebody rewind the tape, let's see where the default is. Nope, still no clue. So how did this happen? Back in the days was sweeter, with everybody smiling. Faces turned to frowns with a tick in their head. One bad look at them and it'll be off with your head. The Crips and Bloods, it's carried to a higher level. If it spell out all the gangs you see, it spells out devil. They'll come out of the trance, man. You're not to be his puppet. Your soul is too precious. Don't let the devil have it.
God, I'll take this moment to acknowledge you. You've done so much for me, I can't stop loving you.
Even when I let you down, you still lifted me up. When you're filling up my spirit, overfill my cup.
Dear God, I'll take this moment to acknowledge you. You've done so much for me, I can't stop loving you.